A combination of the dock and boost pack, designed to make charging your mobile devices easy. The dock transforms your messy outlet into a clean and organized charging station. It features built-in surge-protected outlets, USB port, Apple Lightning, and micro USB charging cords. It also comes with a display shelf to conveniently rest your devices on while charging. The boost pack charges magnetically when attached to the dock and can also be recharged by computer or standard USB port. It's perfect for traveling. It features built-in Apple Lightning and micro USB charging cords and a powerful mobile battery, giving your devices up to 25 extra hours of power. The boost pack also comes with rapid charging technology and LED lights that indicate how much power you have left. Keep this lifesaver with you and never run out of power again. More power to you. Fuel Box. Available now.
Innovations that allow you to wear the umbrella also wet without dripping, to never leave the umbrella, and that your hands are always free. First of all, an innovative waterproof case for storing the wet umbrella with a drop hold. The housing is emptied simply by pulling a ring when you're most comfortable. The case has been handmade by Italian craftsmen and is achievable in different materials. Kjaro is fully customizable. Thanks to the winding band with magnets closing to the umbrella today is become really easy. Kjaro is a real design object to wear, suitable for any situation and to any style.
With the same poor wireless connection. We all experience poor Wi-Fi day and night and never found a good solution. This has been my problem for the last 10 years and probably yours too.
Hi, I'm David, and I want to introduce you to Zeus Pro, the world's first non-electrical Wi-Fi amplifier.
With Zeus Pro, you can easily double and even triple your Wi-Fi range and also maximize your Wi-Fi quality just by mounting it on your router antenna. Zeus Pro focuses the Wi-Fi frequency to 180 degrees instead of 360 degrees. Most Wi-Fi routers nowadays have 2 or even more antennas. So when installing Zeus Pro, you still can get 360 degrees Wi-Fi connection, but now with 3 times the range. And that's not all. It could be your old neighbor surfing on your Wi-Fi.
Get the hell out of my Wi-Fi! 5 minutes!
But it can be an unwanted guest. Wi-Fi is highly and easily hackable. By turning Zeus Pro and aim it to your private area, you can secure your wireless network from unwanted guests. Zeus Pro also increases your Wi-Fi connection speed by reducing interferences that block the Wi-Fi signal. And for the gamers between us, it reduces lags and disconnections.
Yes, that was definitely my first time riding an electric skateboard, and I'm gonna definitely do it again. That was a lot of fun.
Traffic is crazy. This thing, though, I can definitely see myself getting on this and kind of zipping around.
Oh yeah, you go pretty fast on it. You know, it's pretty easy to learn. You learn in like 5 seconds.
When I rode it, it was super stable, and the controls were like perfect.
Normally I would never skate, but this is so smooth and easy for beginners. I give it 2 thumbs up.
1, 2, 3, listen.